The Great Pyramid of Giza weighs over 6 million tons. Some of its stones are heavier than a fully loaded cement truck, and it was all built 4,500 years ago, engines or any modern machines. So how did ancient Egypt do the impossible? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see the pyramids very, very differently. First, let's kill the biggest myth out there. The pyramids were not built by slaves. That's a Hollywood story. Archaeologists have found entire worker villages right next to the pyramids, complete with bakeries, medical tools, and even healed bones, showing that these workers received care. These were paid, skilled laborers, fed thousands of loaves of bread and barrels of beer every single day. Egypt didn't force its people to build the pyramids. It united them behind a divine mission. The mission was to build a God's staircase to the sky, a monumental effort that brought an entire nation together. Now, for the real mystery, how do you move 2.3 million limestone blocks, some of which weigh over 15 tons? The answer isn't magic. It's brilliant physics. Ancient wall art shows us exactly how they did it. We see large groups of workers pulling massive stones on wooden sleds. But look closer and you'll see someone in front pouring water onto the sand. Modern experiments have proven this simple trick reduces friction by almost 50%. No wheels, no machines. Just a brilliant understanding of nature, but moving the stones was only half the problem. How did they lift them over 450 feet into the air? This is where the debate really heats up. Most Egyptologists believe they used complex ramp systems, but not just one giant straight ramp. That would have been almost as big as the pyramid itself. The leading theory suggests a combination of spiring ramps that wrapped around the outside, internal ramps built within the pyramid's core, and a stepped construction method. They would build one level, smooth it out, and then use that level as a base to raise the next one higher. It was slow, precise, and relentless. And they did all of this while maintaining near-perfect symmetry, a feat that baffles engineers to this day. And this is where it gets chillingly precise. The Great Pyramid is aligned to true north with an error of less than 1/20th of a degree. That's more accurate than many modern buildings. They had no compass, no GPS. So how? They used the stars. By tracking circumpolar stars, the ones that circle the celestial pole and never set, they were able to establish a perfectly accurate north-south line. This wasn't just architecture. It was astronomy turned into stone, a monument locked into the cosmos. So why did they go to all this trouble? The pyramids weren't just tombs. They were resurrection machines. They were designed to be a launch pad for the pharaoh's soul, helping it ascend to the heavens and live forever among the gods and the stars. In ancient Egypt, death wasn't the end. It was a transformation, a cosmic journey. And this raises a bigger question. If ancient Egypt could achieve this without our technology, what other incredible knowledge have we forgotten? If you want to explore more ancient secrets that history never fully explains, make sure you subscribe. Like this video if you believe the past was more advanced than we're told. And let me know in the comments, was this human genius or something even greater? The stones are silent, but the truth is still out there waiting. Thanks for watching.